Hi friends, OTT release movies and web series release date and recommendations for please do like, share, comment, subscribe for more videos. Dual action, drama, thriller movie OTT release date streaming from January 14th only Telugu language streaming on Amazon Prime Video streaming now. Extraordinary Man action, comedy, curious movie OTT release date streaming from January 19th Telugu, Tamil languages streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar streaming now. Salar action, crime, drama movie OTT release date streaming from January 20 Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada languages streaming on Netflix platform streaming now. Indian Police Force Season 1 action, crime TV series OTT release date streaming from January 19 Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, English languages streaming on Amazon Prime Video streaming now. ஓடவம் முடியாது ஒளியவம் முடியாது comedy horror movie OTT release date streaming from January 19th Tamil language streaming on AHA platform.